Ever tried running code and suddenly value error pops up, hurting everything? It's a common issue when we get unexpected values in our program, especially with user input. Let's dive in to tackle value error heads on and make your code rock solid. In this tutorial, we'll learn what value error is and why it happens, how to handle it in Python using try except, real-world examples where the error might occur, how to give users friendly feedback when value error happens, wrapping up with a neat little function to catch these errors. We'll be working in Jupyter Notebook today, but you can follow along in VS Code or any IDE you prefer. What is value error? Value error occurs when you pass arguments to a function, but the function expects it to be a different format. For instance, trying to convert ABC to an integer, we throw a value error. Let's recreate this scenario. If you run this code, Python throws a value error because ABC isn't a valid integer. The best way to handle value error, wrap it in a try except block. This way, your code won't crash and you can give users a friendly message instead. In this example, the try block attempts to convert the input into an integer. If it fails, except value error runs, catching the error and printing a friendly message. Imagine building a program where users need to input their age. If they type something invalid, you want them to try again instead of crashing the program. Let's see this example. The loop keeps asking until a valid input is received, while the try except catches value error and loops back to re-ask for the age. Let's improve user experience by detecting the type of invalid input and responding accordingly. The except value error as A captures and displays the specific error message, which can help debug while giving users clear instructions. Let's wrap this in a function, making it reusable across projects. This function will prompt until a user enters a valid integer. The function getAge encapsulates error handling logic, making it easy to call whenever you need to validate age input. Using else and finally with try except. The else block runs only if there is no exception and finally always runs regardless. This can be useful for cleanup tasks. Here, this runs if no error occurs, confirming the age, while finally executes regardless of success or failure. If this helped you solve the pesky valid error, hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned. In coming videos, we'll add new features to this project, like validating more users' inputs and formatting error messages.